welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So if you guys did not see in my last video, these videos for the month are basically going to be recreations of looks that were done by people who have either smaller YouTube channels, smaller Facebook pages, smaller Instagram pages. I wanted to take this month to shine light on people that just don't have the exposure I feel like they deserve. And with my platform, I feel like what better way than to do something like that for them. So last week I did a video that was inspired by a look done by a smaller page, and this month, I'm like all over the place. This week, obviously I'm doing the same thing, and then for the next 2 weeks, I'll also be doing the same thing. So for the look that I chose this week, you guys can see right here, the look is stunning. It's done with pinks and purples, which is like my favorite color combo. But really what stood out to me that made me want to recreate this girl's look, which her Instagram name is Mary Boo, with, I believe that might be like 2 underscores under there or connected, is that she did this look inspired by what I'm assuming is the color of her cancer ribbon. She has stage 4 Hodgkin's lymphoma cancer. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but either way, I'm gonna write it right here. It just really inspired me to create that look, just because that, you know, she might not be in the most healthiest state right now, but she still found the time and the energy to create this look. And to me, that's really inspiring. You know, sometimes we get so caught up with life and, you know, we find little things and we're just like, I can't do it. But she was like, when I saw this, it's just a huge inspiration in my eyes that like, she's not allowing anything to stop her. So this video is for you, girl, and I hope you enjoy it, and we're just gonna jump right into it and get started, guys. Starting with prepping my skin, I'm gonna go in with the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Right now, I'm gonna prime my face with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched. I can't talk right now. The Vitamin Enriched Face Base, which is like a primer. Never tried it before. This is gonna be my first time, so let's see how it goes. It smells good. It's like a really light citrusy smell. It's kind of like whipped. That's what it's giving me. And this is the first time I'm doing these flexi rods. So when I take them out, let's hope that it works in my favor and they look nice. Because it was hard. I was up to like 1 in the morning trying to do it because I couldn't figure it out. Alright, so I'm going to start with my eyes, and I'm going to go in with the NARS Macadamia Concealer. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer. I basically like using concealers to prime my eyes. So I'm just going to apply that. For my shadow, I'm going to start with the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to take that soft brown and apply that to my crease. Next, I'm going to take these Kat Von D brow pomades, and I'm going to use Whiteout and Magenta, so they're actually meant for your eyebrows, but I'm putting them on my lids to create a soft pink base. Now to set that cream, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. Now for that pop of color, I'm going to go in with the Unicorn Sky by Shar Vanity palette, and I'm going to take a soft pink glitter and just apply that right on top. For my eyeliner, I'm going to go in with the Voodoo Gel Eyeliner by Morphe. I was a little bit disappointed because it came out a little bit darker and not as purple as it looks in the pot, but you know, it is what it is. So to top that gel liner off, I went in with the Dior Show On Stage liner in the color Matte Purple. That eyeliner took a lot of work because it kept flaking, and I think that's because of the glitter. That's why I don't really mess with glitter that much, but you know, obviously for the sake of the look, I needed some glitter. So now I'm gonna be moving on to my foundation, and I'm gonna be going in with the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. It's a full coverage foundation, so right up my alley. And this one is in the color Warm Neutral. Never tried this foundation ever. Like, you can tell the pump is still clean. Never used it. Don't mind all the swatches on my hand. So let's hope this is my color. If it comes out messed up, you guys are gonna see that firsthand right on camera. It actually looks like a good color match. Yes. For my concealer, I'm going to go in with the Dior Skin Forever Undercover Concealer in the color 31. This has become one of my favorite concealers. The consistency, the coverage, everything is amazing, and I have not dealt with any creasing, so it's something I would definitely recommend if you're looking to invest in a more higher end concealer. Now, of course, to set all those areas, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with the Tan Wonderlust Powder Foundation by Wonder Beauty. Now to snatch my face, I'm going to go in with the Saddle Powder Bronzer by Anastasia. For my blush, I'm going in with the Radiant Blush Kit by Anastasia, and I'm going to be taking that deeper pink and applying that to my cheekbones. For my highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Sugar Glow Kit, again by Anastasia, and I'm going to be taking this soft golden color and applying that to the high points of my cheekbones and obviously the rest of my face. For my eyeliner, I'm going in with the Pink of Me Marc Jacobs eyeliner. Then I'm just going with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to be taking that purple right there and applying that to the outside of my waterline. This is one of my favorite palettes to go back to whenever I am messing with colors. Then here I'm just retouching some of the glitter because obviously glitter causes a lot of fallout. Onto my mascara, I'm using the TroubleMaker mascara by Urban Decay. Then of course I'm applying my Mykonos lashes by Lilly Lashes. For my brows, I'm going in with the drugstore products. Okay, affordability. I'm going to be going in with the CoverGirl Honey Brown Brow Pencil. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with the On Repeat Lip Gloss by Dose of Colors. And the final part is just to set my face with some Dewy Spritz by Ciate London. And after that, we're all set. Thanks for watching, guys.